just, to witness and just go ahead and just visit your local parks that are nearby, because it's just so awesome. You're always so busy with life, and you just want to take the time to go ahead and relax and rest in the small things. So I'm here, and I'm at this one park, and it's called Camp Pollock. I'm like, wait, I'm hearing something. This is beautiful, y'all. This is a good place to have celebrations, parties. We can even do a photo shoot here. So, wow, y'all, it's a river over here. Okay, let me turn y'all around. Y'all, this is so beautiful. So beautiful, and just witnessing God's creation, his nature, just the way he just, that's why he's God. When I stop and think about who God is and what he created me and you. He already knew us from the beginning of time, y'all. From the beginning of time, before we were formed in our mother's womb, he knew us. And just to partake and just become one with nature, and just to rest in knowing that you are in God's hands, and we are more higher than the animals, even the angels. Serenity, and just enjoying nature in their natural habitat. It's beautiful. very peaceful. Even though I said that like 3 or 4 times. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, but thank you all for tuning in and watching my little nature walk at my local campsite. Wow. Cuckoo!